graph y equals negative absolute value of x plus 3 minus 2. Now we're going to get started just graphing y equals x plus 3. So we just take the content from inside the absolute value, right? And that's just going to be a straight line with the y-intercept of 3 and a slope of 1 because there's a hidden 1 there. If that doesn't make sense, please review our linear equations and functions section on our website. Okay, so y-intercept of 3 and slope of 1. So we go over 1 up 1 all the way through. Let me just connect the dots. Actually, here, make a nice straight line. There we go. Slope of 1, always over 1 up 1. Okay, but now we are dealing with the absolute value of x plus 3. So what is that going to do? This portion will get reflected upward because no negative values are going to come out of the absolute value. They're going to become positive. So this is what we get. And this portion will just stay the same. Okay, so the red graph here represents just y equals the absolute value of x plus 3. And now we're just going to reflect everything downward. And why is that? Because we have the negative absolute value of x plus 3. Okay, so it's just going to look like this. Let me make some nice lines instead. Right there. Why is that? Why does everything get reflected downward? So let me try to get it all right. Yes, there we go. Okay, so every time that we have a negative outside of the function, we're just going to reflect everything on the x-axis, so it acts like a mirror. The x-axis acts like a mirror. I can barely see the line that I'm making because it's dark blue. But yeah, so everything's going to get reflected downwards. So for example, at this point, positive 3 becomes negative 3. Positive 6 becomes negative 6, and so on. Just because of the negative. So this is y equals negative absolute value of x plus 3. And we still have the minus 2 over here. What is that going to do? That will shift every point on the blue lines down by 2 units. So this point is going to come down here, this point is going to come down here, and all the way through. There we go. Now let me just connect the dots and make a nice line. There we go. So the green line, or lines, right, together represent y equals the negative absolute value of x plus 3 minus 2. That's it.